So I'm running a digital marketing agency, and to promote and grow my digital marketing agency, I'm running Facebook lead ads. And now what I want is that, let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. I want that whenever I receive a new lead from this Facebook lead, their details should be added in my Notion database. So yes, we're going to learn in this video how we can create this automation. But before we learn how we can create this, I'm going to show you how this automation is going to work. So let's say my name is test lead and I'm going to fill in this lead form. I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. You're going to see I have successfully submitted this lead form. So now let's open our Notion, and within seconds and in real time the details of the new lead will be added in my Notion database. And as you can see, exactly the same details, be it the name, email, phone, company name, service of interest or best time to contact. All the details are added in my Notion database. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. So watch this video till the end and learn how to create this automation. So to create this automation, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL, and in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then what will happen? You have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and create this automation with me. Open your workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads. So let's search for Facebook lead ads and select it. For the event, we have to select new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Once we click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, we have to log in our Facebook account. You have to make sure that you log in a Facebook account before starting with the automation. But if you haven't logged in a Facebook account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in a Facebook account, and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. So log in your Facebook account, and once you get this option of clicking on this continue, so click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what you have to do is you have to select the page name. So as you can see, I want to create this automation for this page, which is Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to search for Digital Dynamics and select it. For the lead gen form, I want to create this automation for a particular lead gen form, which is lead form 2. So I've selected the same. If you wish to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms option 2. Now after doing this, we're going to move in further. We have to switch on this simple response button because we want to capture the response in simpler format. Now click on this save and send test request. Once you click on this save and send test request, it is turned into waiting for webhook response. So we have to capture this webhook response. And how can we capture this webhook response? For that, we have to open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers and open the landing page of Meta for Developers. After opening the landing page of Meta for Developers, go on this resources, developer tools, and scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool. It is going to open your lead ads testing tool, and once you open your lead ads testing tool, what you have to do is you have to select the same page and the form which you selected during the workflow creation. So let's select the same page and the form right over here. For the product, you have to select lead retrieval and click on this preview form. Now let's fill in this form. For the service of interest, I'm going to keep it as website design. For the best time to contact, I'm going to select afternoon. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as demo. For the last name, I'm going to keep it as lead. For the email address, I'm going to keep it as lead@pabblytudes.com. Now let's move on further. For the phone number, I'm going to keep it as this. And now for the company name, I'm going to enter the name of my company, which is Pabbly Tudes. So let's enter this, and now let's click on this continue and then submit. Once I'm going to click on this submit, yes, you're going to see that we have received this. Thanks, you are all set. This means that we have successfully submitted this, and now Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response, which is the details of the lead which we submitted right now. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response, and as you can see that it has successfully captured the response. You're going to see all the details which we entered, be it the service of interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email or phone number or company name. Now I'm going to add these details in my Notion database. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Notion and select it. For the event, I'm going to select create database item and click on this connect. Now, if you've already created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Notion. Once again, make sure that you have logged in your Notion before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Notion. After doing this, you have to select the pages for which you want to give the permissions. So if you wish, you can definitely select all the pages and give the permission for all the pages. Otherwise, you can select a particular page for which you want to create this automation and give the permission only for that particular page. After you select that page, you have to click on this allow and give the permission. Your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry, give permissions without giving a second thought. So yes, now after creating this connection, it is asking me to select the database. So let's select the database in which we want to add the lead details. After selecting this one by one, we have to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map all the details over here. Now I'm going to map the first name and map it. So when we map the details, it is really important that we make sure that we have mapped the correct field right over here. Otherwise, with every new response, that detail is going to get wrong. Alright, so now you're going to see that we have successfully mapped all the details. Now it is asking me for the content. So this is not required and I don't have any column as such right over here in my Notion. So I'm going to ignore this and click on this save and send test request. And yes, once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new database item. So let's open our Notion and you're going to see within seconds the lead details have been added, be it the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number, the company name, the service of interest, or you're going to see the best time to contact. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. And now, like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Notion, automatically the lead details will be added within seconds and in real time. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can access and check my workflow too. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.